Alright, so finally got my EPS throttle bodies on, and Michael Upton's 3-inch intake kit. So problems I kind of ran into with installing his kit was, well, I have the EPS throttle bodies, and those are 70 millimeters. Stock they're like 60 or something like that. So the couplers that I got were too small, so I had to order these new ones, and then I had to trim them. So that took a little bit of time. Getting these 3 pipes in the right orientation and like how far to push them in and stuff to get it to fit took a little bit of time. And of course, with all 3-inch kits, you know, enlarging the hole for the pipe to come out is a must. I temporarily just put these here just because it's too large and I wanted to keep it from moving, so that's just a temporary solution. I still got to go to the auto parts store to get some stuff, so that's why it's the way. But I mean, it's fairly sturdy, you know. His kit comes with the Apexy filters, at least his 3rd group buy, so that's pretty good. I really like these. On the driver's side, you do have the AC lines that you have to be careful of, and they do kind of like touch it back there. Maybe you see that, but overall the kit's good. EPS throttle bodies, I didn't really have any trouble installing them. I did orientate this side the wrong way where I had the coolant lines. No, they're on the bottom now. There. I had the coolant lines rotated up and closed the hood, indented the heat insulator. Other than that, they were pretty easy. You know, the spacer allows a transition from the diameter of the 70 millimeters to the diameter of the manifold. Comes with the harness that's required, and it's only on one side, passenger side. I mean, other than that, it's been pretty good. Haven't really gotten to drive the car yet. Had my friend drive the car back from the tune session yesterday, so hoping to go for a test drive and kind of see how the car responds.